First, though, happening today, a last-minute request by prosecutors could have a major impact in the retrial of a Troy man accused of killing his own son. Lynn Falsetti joining us now live from outside of Rensselaer County Court in Troy with more on who came forward with what in the Adrian Thomas case. Lynn?
Good morning, Julia. Before opening statements begin here in Rensselaer County Court this morning, the judge is going to make a very important decision as to whether or not one witness who came forward will be allowed to testify in this trial. The DA's office here says that on Monday, when they were preparing for the trial, they came across letters sent to them several years ago from an inmate who claims to know Adrian Thomas when they were in prison together, and that Thomas admitted to him that he did kill his own son. Thomas's attorney says there is a problem with the witness who was represented by the same public defender Thomas was during his first trial. Adrian Thomas was convicted in 2009 of second-degree murder after juries decided he threw his son on a bed, causing severe head injuries that eventually led to brain swelling and death. But the defense in this first trial claims the baby died of sepsis. An appellate court upheld the conviction, but the state court of appeals ordered a new trial, saying investigators used questionable tactics when they interrogated Thomas for almost 9 hours, getting a confession on tape. Now, prosecutors won't be able to use that videotaped confession from Thomas because of a ruling by the state court of appeals. Now, when it comes to allowing an inmate who knew Thomas to be a part of this trial, our legal expert says it could be untrustworthy.
Usually there's an incentive, a motivation where someone's looking to gain a benefit. It's not like a statement made to a police officer. What it does do for the prosecution is at least say to the judge at the end of their case, don't dismiss it because we at least have sufficient evidence to connect the defendant to this case.
And this morning, the judge should have a decision on whether or not to allow this new witness in this trial. That's before opening statements start. That's going to be about 10 o'clock this morning right here at Rensselaer County Court. And as always, we'll have continuing coverage of this both on air and online. That's at CBS6Albany.com. But for now, we're live in Troy. Lynn Falsetti, CBS 6 News.